Does your lower back hurt every time you do AB workouts? Then stretching your back is not the fix. The real problem might be that your abs are too weak to do their job, so your back is doing it for them instead. Let me show you exactly why this happens and how to fix it with zero equipment. Your body's #1 priority every single time is protecting your spine. That's not negotiable. So if your core is weak, your body doesn't just leave you unprotected. It recruits other muscles to stabilize you, and one of the first places it looks is your lower back. That means every crunch, every sit-up, every ab exercise you do, your back is quietly picking up the slack your abs should be handling. You are not injuring your back by doing abs. You are exposing weak abs, and your back is paying the price. So what's the fix? Definitely not stretching, not resting. You need to train your abs in a way that takes your lower back completely out of the equation. Here are 3 moves that do exactly that. Number 1, the dead bug. Lie flat on your back. Raise your arms straight up toward the ceiling, and bring your knees up to a 90-degree angle, just like a tabletop position. Now slowly lower one arm and the opposite leg toward the floor at the same time, while keeping your lower back pressed flat against the ground the entire time. If your back starts to arch, you've gone too far. Number 2, the bird dog. Get on your hands and knees. Extend one arm straight out in front of you, and at the same time, extend the opposite leg straight out behind you. Keep your hips level the whole time. Don't let them twist or rock side to side. This teaches your abs to control and stabilize your spine under real, functional movement, without a single crunch involved. Number 3, the plank with a pelvic tuck. Get into a standard forearm plank position. Here's the key most people miss. Instead of letting your hips sag toward the floor, actively tuck your tailbone underneath you, like you're rounding your lower back slightly. This small adjustment shifts the work away from your lower back and forces your abs to finally take over. Hold that tucked position for as long as you can without letting your hips drop. Do these 3 moves 3 times a week, 10 reps per side on the dead bug and the bird dog, and hold the plank for 30 to 45 seconds. Give it 2 weeks and you'll notice something. The back pain you used to feel during AB workouts starts to disappear, because you're finally training the muscles that were weak in the first place, instead of just managing the symptom. Here's the bigger lesson. Don't just treat where it hurts. Look at what's actually causing it. Your back isn't the problem. It's the messenger. Your abs are the real story. If this helped you understand your back pain a little better, follow for more simple, no equipment fixes for real problems. Not just another workout video. I'll see you in the next one.